and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Oh, the ramen waiter's reign brings us joy and little pain, fighting over.
All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Sapporo Ichiban. This came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Sapporo Ichiban's travel ramen, and this is a tan ramen, not tan, but a tan man. 4 minutes. Let's do it. How you doing? Says it has a thicker noodle. Looks relatively thicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I did say that. Oh, crud. And it has a sachet. Okay. It's Monday. Come on. And you get to see that too. And we're going to drop that heat down because that's just plain ridiculous. Come on. So, I was looking at, what, Facebook? Instagram. That's right. I'm looking at Instagram, and I saw this thing about the Webby Awards, and I was like, hey, maybe I have a chance. I mean, I've got a website where I've reviewed over 5,000 instant noodles in the last 20 years, right? I mean, that's got to be worth a page in somebody's book. Dude, you have to pay to enter it. Like $450. What kind of jerkwad crap is that? So, no, I'm not gonna pay. Oh well. I don't understand a lot of things, and a lot of things will never be things I understand. So, there you go. The sun's out. Holy God, it's bright. I want the sun to go away immediately so I can get better pictures. I command the sun. There you go. Now you're doing it. It's happening. There. The sun has almost gone behind a cloud, which is just perfect. The sun is behind the cloud. What are we watching today? Oh, there's all sorts of news and crap and stuff about politics and people in foreign places doing what they do. I've kind of gotten fed up with the whole deal, you know. Yeah, it's getting darker and darker outside. That's cool. I'm down with that. May the darkness encompass us all. It will. Yeah, it's Monday. It's a weird week because it's conference week for my kids and their school action. So, this is a regular day. Tomorrow's a way short day. The next day is Wacky Wednesday, which is a little shorter, like 2 hours shorter than a regular day. And then Thursday and Friday, it's a short day. So we're definitely getting closer to the turkey day. I don't know. There's got to be something I can do that's kind of fun, like turkey related. Although we're having ham for Thanksgiving. I know, but we're having ham for Thanksgiving, and I don't care what you say, we're having ham for Thanksgiving. And we're gonna go up north to my ancestral home. And then we're gonna eat ham, so it's a lot easier just to slam a ham in the trunk, yo, and bring it up and cook it up, and then you got a ham in the trunk, yo. Yeah. All right, and then we stir it up. I will say it does have an offset, or the outset rather. I am getting a bit of a peanutty kind of note from it, which is what you get from Tantan. But this is more of a... Tantan is kind of like really sloppy and thick, where this is much thinner, and I think it's going to have a lot more aromatic notes rather than be just a loving sludge fest. So we'll start with the noodle. I have a feeling this is going to be a really exceptional noodle too. Whoa, it's going everywhere. All these things are happening, and I don't know where I am, but I'll let you know what I think of it. Cheers. Broth. Ooh, that's hot. That is interesting. It's not extremely strong. The noodle's great. I gotta say, I really dig the noodle in that. It's funny, this one and the one I had earlier, which would have been 2 episodes ago, the one with the byproduct of making sake, those two were really different and fascinating. I really like these two. So, yeah, I'm pleased. Now, what are we gonna do with you? You way over there. I want you to be a little more kempt. There's a lot of you noodles, though. You noodles, you. Start off with some chashu. I'm almost out of the bag of chashu that's in the freezer that I was on, but I was looking and I think there's 2 more bags. Which is really good because I think there's like almost 40 slices of chashu in each bag. There's a lot of chashu I made last time, and the way we did it was different. We cut it on the same day. We did all the processing and cooking and everything in the same day, and it worked out really well. So that was good. So there's that. You know, I really like this organic spring onion, but I wish it was lighter, just all around lighter. It's like I'm literally picking out the light bits to make it look a little more light green. But that's kind of a fool's errand, I think. And then we need an egg. I made 4 eggs this morning. Okay. Come on. Come on, you egg. They sure are jammy, folks. And we got our this. So let's see, the last one I used, as far as a chili crisp, was the S&B Umami chili crisp. And I'm not going to use that this time because I got a rotation I really ought to do. What's this? That's the garlic crunch. I'm going to use the Momofuku chili crunch. See, there's crisp and crunch. It's the same dang thing. Or if you haven't yet, I invite you to go see my guide to like all this chili crunch that I got to try. God, Christmas is coming. Just so you know, there was never a war on Christmas. It's a war on parents. My daughter's personal war on us starts the day after Christmas and goes all year long. Her birthday is a week before Christmas. You know, there's something about classical music and doing dishes. I don't know why. It makes me think of Silence of the Lambs. I don't know. But, no people eating here. Now the sun's back. I figured I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here, come over here and look. So when I do, after I'm done letting you watch what I do, I go right over here, like right over there. And no, I can do better than that. Yeah, right over there. See that? So the sun is hitting that little area. And that makes things very difficult for taking a picture. So if I can find There's my doohickey. There's one of them. There's another. So what I have to do, about there. I grabbed this. It's a Nintendo instructions for the NES Classic. And then I just put this right about there. And it's still bright enough that things will work out. And then, okay, it didn't do it. But oftentimes what'll happen is as soon as I do that, the sun will just kind of stop doing its thing. Watch, I'll set the bowl down and the sun will go away. Well, it doesn't seem to be doing that. But anyways, yeah, that's one of the things that I have to contend with in this crazy madcap world of instant noodle reviewing. So, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment your noodles each and every day. And, yeah, alright, bye-bye.
Calculator metal. Calculator metal.